You had one? Not one of them, but you had a BM.
I had an F800 GT, it's like a sports tourer like yours, but the parallel twin, not the boxer.
Yeah, I know what's in it, because I'm the reason you've got the Versus.
You are, yeah.
Because you took me up to get the SV.
Follow me. We're just straight on, sorry mate, I'm in the wrong lane. Don't know where the fuck I'm going, but follow me.
Neither do I.
I've got to go into the left. I thought we could go into the right here.
Nah.
Oh yeah, I've got to go into the right, look.
No entry, mate.
No entry. Where the fuck are we going then? No entry back that way.
Can't get down that way. Turn around, back out then.
Can't, it's no entry.
What?
Gotta go that way, look.
How are you? Go on then.
Come to a job there, there's a nightclub there, come to a job there. And I drove up there in the ambulance.
Haha.
Just got round in a fucking circle here.
You're getting some admirers by the looks of it.
Hey?
You're getting an admirer by the looks of
yeah,
it.
had a nice little smile.
Hey, loading 6 PM till 10 AM. Yeah, I see if there's a camera down there in a bit. Might be getting a ticket. I'm coming.
Where there?
No, we went down the one before it.
Did we?
Yeah, because we just went round in a circle, didn't we? Where I stopped at them lights.
Little Red Riding Hood? Oh, you fucking cunt.
Taxi driver, mate, what do you expect? Me no speak English. We turning left then?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, who's ringing me? 2 secs. How do I answer? Hello?
Oh, no.
Hello?
No.
Yo, what's up? I'm on the bike, man. I'll ring you back after. Catch you in a bit. Try. That got rid of him. Hey, that got rid of him. You there, mate? Yeah.
Is that your boss?
No, it was me, mate. That Skoda behind me pulled out on that van. We just gone round in a big circle around Worcester.
Yeah. That's where I'm going over there.
Okay.
That road over there. See if I can remember the way.
Oh, who's ringing me now?
I don't know. Fucking ignore it.
Hello? Hello? What are you doing? Press your intercom button. Press your button. There we go. Every time I kept pressing it, kept coming up intercom failed. Ringing me.
Oh, yeah.
She was like, I'm not making excuses.
Down the middle here, down the fucking side. So when you going out with it again?
I don't know, because I just said I'll call you back in a bit. I'm going around Worcester on the fucking motorbike.
Need to get in the left-hand lane round here.
The full left one.
Yeah. I know you can get back to Starbuck and this way past Shelsley Walsh.
Yeah.
I can't fucking remember how to get there. We'll find a way. Don't fancy that fucking pub much. I think it's this left turning up here somewhere, if this goes to Shelsley Wolf. I think it's this fucking turning, you know.
Oh, fuck bottle.
So just put it in my sat nav, Shelsley Walsh. I'll do that.
That gets you put inside, that does.
Right. Discard. Discard. Search. How do you spell it? Shell.
I ain't got a clue.
Shelsley Wolf Shell Clan, and it is.
Fuck me, that Seat was close to that bloody car in front of you then.
Yeah.
Yay. I thought they were trading paint.
Right. Turn round.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Well, fucking, it's an adventure, isn't it? Fucking gets us out in the sunshine.
Anywhere up there to turn around?
I don't know.
Yeah, no, that junction looks a bit tight. Wait, car coming.
Or was it hold on a bit, let me have a look on my top. 11 Yeah, back down there.
Turn around.
Yeah. Nothing coming up from this way.
Oh, good job I can reach the fucking floor now, isn't it?
Oh, stop fucking moaning about the floor. With a chance to You had one of these things, didn't you?
I had the A6, didn't I? I prefer the A6 I got now though. It's harsher on the drive though. Obviously that's air suspension in it, the all roads.
Indicator.
Paid for it, mate.
See, look, you can't.
Guide dog.
The blood fucking dog ain't blind.
Yeah, but the owner is. That's a blind dog, isn't it? Or service dog at least.
Left turning up here, look. I knew it was a fucking left turning somewhere.
What's this down here then?
What?
Where are we going down here?
Past Shelsley Wash. Then it'll take you to Stourport that way.